So, you guys, visualizing how you see yourself is the first step in putting together a vision board. Hello, you guys. I'm Deborah. Now, my eyes are closed, and that is with intent. I know this footage is running, but the reason why I'm doing this is to demonstrate something, you guys. I'm also going to dim the lights. So, what I want you to do is to get yourself into a quiet, dark place where the background noise of life is shut down completely and it's just you and the quiet. And once you're there, close those eyes and start thinking about how you see yourself in the future. What does it look like? Your dream life, you guys. Whether it be a new job, going on vacation, being financially sound, having a new house, different relationships. What do you see as your dream life? And once you get all those images into focus, submit them into your memory. And then at that point, open your eyes. So, you guys, visualizing how you see yourself is the first step in putting together a vision board. So, if you want to learn how to do exactly that, to take those visions, those dreams that you see, and put together that vision board, then stay with me and I will show you how coming up next. Welcome back, everyone. So that exercise that we just did is so key critical in putting together a vision board. And that is because you're getting yourself into a quiet place. It's just you, no background noise, shutting out the world. And you're giving yourself the opportunity to really see what you want your future to be. How do you see yourself without any distractions? And once you capture all those images, now is the time to go ahead and put together that vision board. So each and every day, you can remind yourself of how you see your future and then go about manifesting those dreams and the images that you captured. I tell you guys, last year was the first time I put together a vision board, and it was a game changer for me. I'm always one to write down my goals and my objectives, but actually putting that on a board in one centralized place along with images as far as how I see my future and how I see my life. Again, it was such and still is such a powerful tool. And that's why I'm coming to you today just to share with you not only how important it is, but also how to go about putting this board together. So we've already done step one. We have visualized what we see our life in the future, whether it be 1 year from now or 5 years from now. What are those dreams that you have, and what are those things that you want to manifest in your life? Now that you've seen it, write it down. And now that we've written it down, we're going to get some images together so that we can make that vision something that is intangible, something that we can actually feel and touch. Now, those images can come from a magazine, it can come from Google, Pinterest, things that you have seen that actually reflect how you see your life. Now, for me, Bible quotes are absolutely foremost and forefront as far as my vision board is concerned, because I seek God in everything that I do. So that is definitely going to be a part of my vision board. And that is another example for you guys. Okay? It could be Bible quotes, it can be quotes that you've heard before that really resonate with you, that make you feel something when you see or hear them. And of course, along with that are those images. Now, so far, we've got the vision, we've got the dream, rewritten it down, we've captured those images and the quotes, and now, you guys, it's time to put it all together. And you can either do a physical board or you can do a digital board. I like the physical because I hang it on my wall. I have it here in my what I call my creative zone, which is where I do a lot of my filming, where I do a lot of my editing. I'm in this room each and every day. So I am looking at my vision board each and every day. And the tools that I use, real simple, you guys. Last year, I went to Dollar Tree. I got the board. I got some cutouts. I got tape. And I went to my computer, I went to Google, I went to Pinterest, and that's where I captured all of my quotes and where I captured all of my images. And another thing, if there were some quotes that I wanted to include on my vision board that I did not have, I went to Microsoft Word, I typed it up, I put it in a font that I liked, and I printed it out, and then I cut it out, and I made that part of my vision board. Now, having said that, let me show you my vision board from last year, at least part of it. And one central component of my vision board from last year, and it's going to be the same for this year, is this little mirror right here. And this mirror is what I see each and every day when I sit at my desk and I am creating. And I put the words becoming across this mirror. And the reason why is because I see myself becoming all of these things that I have put on my board. Now, obviously, your dreams, visions are going to be different from the next person's. So this is why it is really important for you to go through that first exercise, and that is quiet place, eyes closed. How do you see yourself and how do you see your future? So some of the things that were really important to me, again, foremost and forefront, is my faith in God and me seeking Him in all things that I do. So things that I came across is just trust me, God. Believe in what you pray for. Trust God even when the answer is wait. So those are some of the important quotes that I put up here. Some other things that I put around my little mirror of becoming is, it's your time. You've got this. You are enough. So those are these expressions, quotes that are important and that resonate with me and move me to action. Now, some of the things that I wanted to manifest, okay, is my YouTube channel. Growing this YouTube channel, I wanted to have some YouTube muscle. So I've got a picture of muscles, and in between these two muscles, I've got the word YouTube. Monetizing my channels. 1K per month in social media revenue. Didn't manifest that, did a lot, or this year, but my vision board for 2022 is going to be even more than that, because I see myself again with this big dream of having a very successful, actually two very successful YouTube channels. Paying off my car, okay, was another dream that I had. And I manifested that. That has been taken care of. So what I get to do is I get to take this off of this vision board and I'm going to replace it with something else. So these are just some examples, you guys, of what you do to put together your vision board. I don't know if you guys have ever heard that expression. Actually, it's a passage from the Bible, becoming what you behold. And behold is a kind of old word because, a lot of times we hear becoming what you see. So when I heard this expression, becoming what you behold, I had to look that word up. And behold, you guys, is a very powerful word. It is more than just seeing. And the definition of behold is seeing or observing a person or a thing, especially a remarkable or impressive one. So remember, what you're seeing is remarkable or impressive. And that's what you want to manifest in your life. Something that is remarkable, something that is impressive. And because you have written it down, you can go about making those visions, making those dreams a reality in your life. Because again, each and every day, no matter how busy, no matter how hectic, no matter how chaotic life gets, come back each and every day to your vision board and remind yourself of what your dreams are. And then go about making those dreams a reality. So you guys, Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed my segment on vision board. And if you did, please do comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Please do share. And remember to press that subscribe button below. And remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. It is a great day, you guys. You make it your own kind of special. As a matter of fact, that expression, I use that on my YouTube videos, and that is going on my board because, again, those words are so very important to me, and they resonate with me, and they remind me of just how precious, how important life is, and that I am worthy of great things. So I want you guys to do the same. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say. Thank you guys, and have a wonderful day.